Welcome to Guess the Animal! Today, we're exploring the peaceful and lush wetlands to discover a fascinating bird. Are you ready to play? Let's dive into this watery world and begin our adventure. Here's your first clue. Look at this close-up image of long legs. These legs help the bird wade through shallow waters in search of food. Can you guess which wetlands bird this might be? Take a moment to think about it. Your next clue. This bird has a long, pointed beak. This beak is perfect for catching fish and other small aquatic animals. Does this clue help you figure out which bird it could be? Here's another hint. This bird is often seen standing on one leg, a behavior that helps it conserve body heat. Have you guessed which bird it is yet? Here's one more clue. This bird is commonly found in wetlands, marshes, and along the edges of lakes and rivers. It thrives in these watery environments where it can find plenty of food. Now, can you guess what bird this is? Let's recap. Our mystery bird has long legs. A pointed beak. Often stands on one leg. And lives in wetlands. Can you guess what it is? Shout out your answers! If you guessed a heron, you're absolutely right! Herons are graceful birds that are well adapted to life in the wetlands. Great job, everyone! Did you know that herons have specialized neck? Vertebrae that allow them to quickly strike at prey. They are also solitary feeders, preferring to hunt alone. can stand still for long periods, patiently waiting for the perfect moment to catch their prey. Aren't they fascinating? Thanks for playing Guess the Animal! We hope you had fun and learned something new. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting animal adventures. See you next time!
Goodbye!